There are so many amazing scented products. Today, let's talk about 10 of them. Hey Fragrance family, I'm David and I'm a fragrance pro, of course your best source for everything fragrance related. Today I have a video that is on some of my favorite scented products that are not spray perfumes. Now as a fragrance lover, I love to put fragrance on my body every time I go anywhere, but I enjoy fragrance for what it is. Something that just smells nice. And there are lots of things out there that I really like that have a unique scent to them, that are purposely scented. And we're gonna go over some of those today. Now I'm sure that some of these will not be new to you, but some of these I think will be a surprise. So stay tuned and check them out. All right, so first on the list is not a body spray. Don't buy body sprays. Now the first one I'm sure you're aware of, and that is candles. Now candles are everywhere. You can buy scented candles almost anywhere you go, but you might not know that some of your favorite fragrance companies sell candles as well. For instance, here's one by Creed. This one is called Pecan Imperial, not pecan, and not really pecan either. It's more of an amber scent, really nice. And this one is The Abandoned Mansion by Imaginary Authors. Now, Imaginary Authors came out with 2 candles recently. The Abandoned Mansion was one of them, and this smells incredible. It has an old book type of smell, and it has some sweetness in there. It's an incredible candle that I highly recommend. Next is a scented journal. Now these aren't everywhere, but Imaginary Authors also sells a scented journal, and this one is a Memoirs of a Trespasser themed journal, which is one of my favorite scents by them, and it is steeped with Memoirs of a Trespasser. It smells incredible. Something you might not know about Josh Meyer, he really likes fountain pens. And so I believe this is good paper that is really good for fountain pen usage. So really great notebook. Highly recommend this one. Next is a product and company that I really believe in and I can really recommend to you guys. And that is Fray, who makes scented detergents and clothing cleaning products. So I've been using Fray for months exclusively, and I really love their scent and their products. I really believe in them. I think they have a great service that I can really recommend to you guys. Fray believes in creating a product that is created for you, someone that really likes fragrances. So their products are high quality and they smell great. Now I believe they have 2 scents out there. One of them is Cedar Oak Moss and Amber, which smells really good and woody and beefy. Another one is Geranium, Patchouli, and Rose, I believe, and that one smells even better, I think. Both of them are great. Now they have an a la carte service where you can buy each of the items individually, or a subscription-based model, which you can buy a box sent to your door. Both of them are fantastic. The box is really convenient. If you don't want to order things over and over again, you can have it delivered straight to your door at a certain interval. It's designed to be better for your clothing than traditional detergents are, that keep your clothes better, longer. They design their products to be safer for the environment, and they donate a proceeds from their profits to charity. And if all that wasn't good enough, if the scent wasn't good enough by itself, which I love, one of the best parts about Fray is that the detergent has a pump. A pump. Instead of using a messy cup, they have a pump that you just spray into your dishwasher. Incredible convenience right there. Now I'll show the box up close here. If you look inside the box, they have your laundry detergent. Of course, they have dryer sheets, and they have a spray freshener to give your clothes a little bit added freshness. They have a stain remover to remove kind of pesky stains on your clothing. And they have a wrinkle releaser, which is great and works magic on wrinkled clothing. I've used it several times and I love it. Fray is today's sponsor, and I could not be more happy with them being a sponsor of this episode because I absolutely love Fray. Like I said, I've been using it for months and I can highly recommend them to you. They're giving me a coupon code. If you're interested in Fray, I'll have a link down below to their website where you can buy their stuff, and you can use the coupon code BROS20 for 20% off. And I highly recommend that you do, because it's a great way to get away from traditional detergents that smell boring and go for something that smells great, more like a traditional cologne that smells amazing and is better in every possible way. Next is a room diffuser. Now room diffusers are also very common. You may already have them. What I like about room diffusers is you can just set it there and forget about it. If you leave your house, you don't have to worry about the house burning down. You can just leave it there and it automatically just has just a nice aroma that fills the air. It's just something you can set and forget. There are companies that make really nice room diffusers. This is one of them. This is a company from Denmark called Scandinavisk. I love the minimalist aesthetic here. It actually comes with 3 diffusers. If you want 3, it gives you more powerful aroma. I use 1 right now. Of course, you can get different scents for the aroma diffusers, and this one is called Listening, and it's a really great mossy, pine, fruity type of scent with some black currant, I believe, in there, and smells great. Next is a car care kit. Now, you might be familiar with some things that go in a car, like car sprays and little air fresheners. YVRA 1958, which is a great perfume company with 2 perfumes out right now. They have a perfumed auto kit. It comes with scented wipes that you can wipe your interior and keep it clean and looking great, protected from the elements. It's scented with both their perfumes, as well as some air fresheners that you can hang in there and scent up the car even better. And even cooler than that, they have a scented screen wash that you can put in your windshield wiper fluid. It's probably even better if you have a convertible where you can enjoy it. But I still think that's really cool. Now, I don't have this one in person yet, but I'm very familiar with both their scents, so I can highly recommend it already. But I'm gonna have a deeper video about that in the future, so stay tuned. Next are shaving soaps. Shaving soaps have come a long way in recent years, with a lot of artisanal shaving soap companies producing some really high quality stuff. 2 companies that I really like for their soaps are Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements and Sterling Soap Company. Now, Sterling Soap Company, they have soaps that smell like your favorite fragrances. This one in particular, called Sharp Dressed Man, smells like Green Irish Tweed, which I love. Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements has tons of amazing shaving soaps. This is the only one I have from them currently, though I'm about to buy 2 more for the fall that sound incredible. So highly recommend them to you. This one is Cad, which has a classic barbershop kind of soapy, powdery feel, which I love. Next are hair products. Now, hair products, of course, are ubiquitous everywhere, but good ones are kind of hard to find, and really good scented ones are even harder to find. That's why I can really recommend these by 1821 Man-Made. This one in particular smells like their fragrance called Sweet Tobacco Spirits, which smells incredible. Really love that one a lot. This one is their pomade, this one is their paste. They both have different holds. If you already have 1821 and you use hair products, these are a shoe-in. You've got to get these. If you don't use paste for your hair, they also have a hairspray, which also smells like Sweet Tobacco Spirits. I don't currently have that one here, but I'm sure that one's really good too. Next are soaps. And sometimes I really get tired of the soaps that you find at the supermarket. I really get tired of how they smell. Some of your favorite fragrance companies sell soaps and body washes, so if you get tired of them like I do, it might be a good idea to check and see what they have. You can upgrade your shower routine a little bit. First one is a body wash, hair and body wash by Fulton & Rourke, which I love. They have solid fragrances that are great, and this one is a body wash that has a very kind of minty, herbal smell, which smells fantastic. Really love that one. Here's one by Creed. This one is Silver Mountain Water smelling soap, and smells just like Silver Mountain Water, smells fantastic. I did a video mentioning this one before, and I got jokes that said this was like $700. A fair criticism. I'm not exactly sure what the price is right off the top of my head, but it's a great soap, and I can definitely recommend it to you if, especially, you like Creed scents. Next are scented lotions. Scented lotions is another thing that is probably common to many of you out there. A lot of your favorite fragrance companies have scented lotions. This is one by Honey Mori. It smells like their fragrance Honey. And this one is called Tranquility by the company Scandinavisk, which smells like cotton grass, apparently. It smells great, and it's really great thick cream that works great and moisturizes your hands and face. So love these. And I love having the option of having scented lotion specifically for one type of fragrance. They're great at having if you have a fragrance that does not last a long time on your skin. You can layer the lotion along with the fragrance itself, and it makes it last a lot longer. Next are scented toys. Now, this is not something that you probably think about on a daily basis unless you're a parent. One toy that has a certain recognizable scent is Cabbage Patch Dolls. Now, this is not mine. This is my daughter's, and her name is Bella, apparently. And Cabbage Patch Dolls have a very light rose, slightly vanilla, powdery type of smell. And they smell amazing. When I reviewed West Side by Bond Number 9, it really brought back a really strong scent memory, and I didn't know what it was. Turns out that was this. West Side to me smells like Cabbage Patch Dolls. I remember having friends that had Cabbage Patch Dolls, and it really reminded me of them. So yeah, West Side by Bond Number 9, Cabbage Patch Dolls. And then I just found about these about a year ago and got some for my kids, and they are whiffer sniffers. Now these are little plush toys. They come in different sizes. This is just one you can hook on their backpacks. So this one is a peach smelling one. Smells just like peach, and this one is an orange one, obviously. But they have all kinds of different ones, different foods and different fruits and all kinds of crazy ones. These are really great. I love these little guys, and my kids like them too, so I'm really glad. Scented toys is not something that everyone is going to need or want or use, obviously, but if you're a parent out there and you like fragrances and scents, this might be something that you can just add in there to just have a little fun with your family as a good idea. So yeah, I really like these. All right, so that is all I have. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to go to Fray's site and check them out. Of course, I'll have a link down below. And don't forget Bros20 for 20% off. I love all of these products so much. I'll have links down below to all of these products where you can go find them. What are some of your favorite scented products that are not perfumes? Let me know down in the comments below, what is your favorite? As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the way out. I love you for it. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros. Bye.